Hello, my name is Colin, and today we are going to be learning how to solve an equation using the quadratic formula in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, all of which equals 0. So, first problem is x squared minus 5x minus 14. Now, we are going to be solving this using the equation 0 equals negative b square root b squared minus 4ac. Okay, now to do that, to use that equation, we need to find and identify a, b, and c. So a, I can tell, is 1, b, I can tell is negative 5, and c, I can tell is negative 14. Now I can tell a, b, and c apart because a is always the number that is attached to the variable that is squared, b is always the number that is attached to just a variable that's normal, no squares, and c is always just a number attached with no variables, no squares at all. Well, it could be squared, but it's not attached to any variables. Now, this equation is also over 2a, which is a very important part that you should not forget. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to solve this. So, we're going to plug all the information we have over here. We're going to plug it all into here. It's going to be 0 equals negative 5. Okay. Square root 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c, which is negative 14. Alright, so let's go ahead and simplify. Now, we can do this. So, a negative is a positive, which is 5 square root of 5 squared, which is 25, because 5 times 5 is 25, minus 4 times 1, which is 4, times negative 14. You can simplify this further to 0 equals 5 square root 25 minus 4 times negative 14 is negative 56. So minus negative 56, which is the same as positive 56, so it's square root 25 plus 56. And 25 plus 56 equals 81. So now we have 0 equals 5 plus or minus square root of 81. Square root of 81, as you should know, is 9. So remember all this over 2, 1, because a is 1. It's over 2a. Okay? Now, what we do is 5 plus 9, okay, is 14. Now, this is obviously just 2. So 5 plus 9, 14 over 2 is 7. Okay? So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. There's one of our pairs, coordinate pairs. So 7, and 5 minus 9 is negative 4. And so negative 4 over 2 equals negative 2. There's another piece. So the roots of this equation, x squared minus 5x minus 14, is 7, negative 2. Now, if any of you did not get that, I've got a second example here. It's x squared plus 4x plus 3. So we can tell that a is 1, b is 4, and c is 3. Okay, let's plug that into our equation. Negative 4 square root 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 all over 2a, which is 1. Okay, let's go ahead and simplify this. So it's 0 equals negative 4 square root 16 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 3 all over 2, because 2 times 1, or 2 times a, is 2. Simplify this a little bit further. X equals negative 4 square root 16 minus 12. Okay, simplify that even further. Don't forget the plus minus there. We can simplify that further by 0 equals negative 4 plus or minus 4 over 2. Okay, so that obviously is the same as 0 equals negative 4 plus or minus 2, because 2 squared is 4 over 2. Okay, so negative 4 plus 2 over 2. Negative 4 plus 2 equals negative 2 over 2, which equals negative 1. Okay, so there's our first piece to the coordinate pair. And then negative 4 minus 2 equals negative 6 over 2, which equals negative 3. There's our other piece. Okay, so the roots of this equation, x squared plus 4x plus 3, would equal negative 1 and negative 3. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you have learned how to solve an equation using the quadratic formula in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, using the equation negative b times the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Thank you.